Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1 on the Rockstar Games Launcher. This common issue can prevent you from accessing your favorite games, but fortunately, there are several straightforward solutions we can try together. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly, as a poor connection can sometimes trigger this error message. Many technical glitches can be resolved with a simple restart, so begin by rebooting your entire computer system. After your computer is back up, make sure the Rockstar Games Launcher is entirely closed, even from your system tray in the bottom right corner. Then, right-click the launcher icon and select Run as Administrator to give it elevated permissions, which often resolves access issues. Next, we will clear the launcher's browser cache, as accumulated old data can cause conflicts. You can find this option within the launcher settings. After that, for the affected game, navigate to its settings within the launcher and choose to verify integrity of game files. This crucial step checks for any corrupted or missing game files, replacing them to resolve potential issues causing error code 1, and it often works wonders. If the previous steps do not resolve error code 1, a complete reinstallation of the Rockstar Games Launcher is the next logical step. First, uninstall the launcher from your system, then download the latest version directly from the official Rockstar Games website. Finally, if the issue still persists after reinstalling, reaching out to Rockstar Games support with your specific error details will provide you with personalized expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.